do a quick little video here on RV water heaters. This is the second water heater that I've had to pull out of one of my trailers. Not in very good shape. I'm going to show you what came out of the burn tube. That right there is a bee's nest. And I got that out of the burn tube just by using a garden hose and washing it out. But all this debris that you're seeing in the grass here, that's all rust pieces and mineral pieces and rust. This came out of there. I don't know what this is. This piece here came right out of the drain there. But anyhow, after working on these water heaters for a few years, I've never been really very impressed with these things. They just don't seem to be well made. This is a Suburban. I can't say the same about the Atwood. I've never had one of these things, but I don't know, like the heating element, you can see they just rust always. These switches, they always mess up. Have a look at the tank too. Like, have a look at the underneath of this tank. Like, look at that. It's just, and this isn't even really an old, it was leaking, I'll give it that, but I mean, this tank is just totally done. And I just don't understand why. So I'm looking at replacements for these things. And for this seems like the lowest quality water heater you can get, the Suburban style. $500-600, man. Very expensive. So I'm looking for an alternative. I'd like to show you this little idea that I have here. This I picked up off a local classified ad. This is a household water heater. It's 115 volt. It's electric. That should work in my trailer, no problem. And if you look at this thing, I mean, it's really straightforward. It's just got a hot and cold input. There's the drain, very straightforward, really easy to access. There's the heating element right there. It's just a tank, and in an insulated cylinder. It just sits. It's got a base there, and it just sits wherever you put it. So this, actually, it's pretty small too. That's going to fit right inside my RV, right inside the underneath the pantry where this used to be, and I'll just, you know, won't have a gas water heater anymore. I'll just use the electric. So yeah, I've got this thing apart because I'm just, you know, painting up the top here. But I don't know. Seriously, consider what you're buying when you get these things, man. They just don't seem to last. They just don't seem to be well designed. I don't understand why a tank would look like that after only a few years and all this junk and crap in there. Like, it's, whereas this is just as old as that, and yet it's not rusted. It doesn't have like a crazy amount of rust on it and stuff like that. So and it's interesting because this water heater is very small and it would fit right into an RV. So I'll let you know how this goes, guys. That's the top I'm just painting up, and cover for it's right here. So I'm pretty stoked up about this because, like I said, if this works out, it's going to be a much better alternative. I'll do a part 2 video to let you know how this goes. So we'll see you soon.